So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Heluuur, and you guys, in this video I'm going to recreate a viral TikTok video that I saw. I saw it first on an acrylics, and then I saw it on Clady's nails, but I think Clady's nails did it first. I don't know. I will put links of the TikToks in the description box below. I'm so sorry if you hear a noise, but they are working outside. What a So I'm just going to watch the video of Clady's nails with you guys, so you see what I mean and which viral TikTok video I'm going to recreate in this video. It's this video, and I will also put the one of an acrylics in the description box below. This video, it's so realistic. I just love her manicures, and the way she films the videos are so detailed. You can see like every little thingy. Love it. Yep, hyper realistic. Really pretty. So this is the video that we are going to recreate, or I mean the nail design. But before you go ahead and watch this video, don't forget to show me some love and then come back. Let's get right into it. Okay, so first I'm going to push back my cuticles. When I'm done pushing back my cuticles, I'm going in with this bit from Anoda. I'm going in with this, I think it's a tornado bit, a tornado diamond cuticle bit. I don't know, I will put it in the description box below. I'm going to use it to get all the dead skin off around the cuticle area. And when I'm done doing that on all the 10 nails, I'm going in with my cuticle scissors to cut off the dead skin around the cuticle. So now I'm cutting off the dead skin around the cuticle area. Okay, so now that I'm done cutting off the cuticles, I'm using this bit. This one is also from Anola. I'm using it to get off all the little things that I didn't get off previously, and also to buff the cuticle, or I mean the skin around the cuticle area, to make it like a smooth Russian manicure vibes. And then I'm using my sanding band. This is a 240 grit to get all the shine from my natural nail off. Now I'm using our nail tips. I'm using the clear ones, and I'm using the glue from Kiara Sky to apply the nail tips. And I really have to apologize that all the nail tips are out of stock. I'm so sorry about that. I'm working really hard to get everything back in stock soon. Now I'm clipping off the the nail tips, and I thought this is maybe a good length for the realistic nail design. And now I'm using my hand file to shape them. And first I shaped them a little bit square, but then I went in and looked at the video, and a little tapered, coffin-y but not too coffin kind of vibe to make it more realistic. So I made it them a little bit more, not the coffin side instead of the square side. And now I'm using the sanding band again to blend in the nails. Now I'm going to use these three colors to mix the the acrylic color, to use the nail tip to create that realistic look. And I've mixed it with our frosty, which is also out of stock, and also with a little bit of our white acrylic. And now I'm mixing, and I'm trying it out. Here it was a little bit too yellowy for me first, then I mixed it with a little bit more of the frosty, then I created the second color that you saw. And now I'm going in with my primer and super bond to make sure the nails don't lift. And now I'm adding the color at the nail tip. I don't want to apply it too thick because I still want that clear kind of vibe, but also you want it to be like covering the nail tip, if you know what I'm saying. So you don't want it to be too opaque but also not too clearish. I hope you understand what I'm saying. But yeah, try to make it as natural as possible. And now I'm covering the whole tip, and then I'm going to work on the smile line, because you also want a perfect smile line, not too perfect, so like a French, but a natural kind of perfect. And also, you don't want to apply it too thick at the smile line area, because you don't want to see a thick layer of the color that you're putting on the nail tip. So you want to try to make that smile line crisp but also flat, so you don't see like the difference between the clear that you're going to apply later and the color that we have used on the nail tip. And this is how the pinky looks. Maybe on camera it doesn't see it like I saw it in real life, but I thought it was too white. So now I'm covering it with clear acrylic, especially on the nail bed, and then also on the white yellowy that we have mixed, but not too thick. As I said before, you want it to be as natural as possible. But I've mixed a little bit more of the yellowy color that we have, and also a little bit more of the um, frosty, because I wanted it to be a little bit more clear and also a little bit more yellowy to get really that natural nail look. So just mixing it again and trying it out, but this time I think it looks better, so I went in with this one on all the nails. So in the video she used a pinching tool to pinch the nails to give it also a more realistic look. Well, I don't have a pinching tool. That's unfortunate. I think it's actually a shame. I had those, but I never used them, so I just throw everything away. So I think I need to buy some new pinching tools. But here you can see I'm just pinching it with my hand to create that like curvy, see curvy look. So let's repeat this step on all the nails. Okay, so this is how the nails look after the application. Don't forget to pinch the nails when they are drying to create that C-curve, and as you can see, I'm pinching it with my fingers. And now I'm using my e-file to file the nails down and to make them smooth and flat and sharp. I'm using this bit from Kiara Sky. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below, but try to make it as flat as possible so you keep that natural look. But when I was done with the application, I realized that the nails doesn't really look natural, so I thought maybe shorter they will look more natural. So while filing, I also shortened the length a little bit, and when I was done with my e-file, I went in with my hand file to perfect the shape and to also to make it a little bit more flat and smooth and round at the edges, so you have that nice C-curve. So now I'm using our cuticle carbide bit to get into the cuticle area. This is to just smoothen the acrylic at the cuticle area and to make it look more natural. And that's what I'm going to do on all the 10 nails. And now I'm using my buffer to smooth down the nails, and when I'm done using my buffer, I'm going in with some alcohol to clean the nails with a little manicure brush. And this is how the nails look. I think matte, they look more realistic than glossy. Now I'm going to apply our glossy top coat on all the nails and cure it in the lamp, or I mean under my lamp. And I think I cured them for like 2 minutes to make sure everything is dry. And now I'm applying some cuticle oil, and this is the final result. What do you think about this hyper realistic nail design? Actually, on camera it looks better than in person. I personally don't like natural nails this long, so I don't know, I think it looked a little bit yellowy, a little bit dirty. I don't know, the more I looked at the nails, the more I didn't like it on my hand. So here you can see me at work looking at the nails and doubting the nails. So I thought, let me shorten the nails and also try a almond shape. I think the almond shape looks more natural than the square shape, and I think I like the almond shape more, or shorter than the length that I had. What do you guys think? I'm so sorry, but I just couldn't stand seeing those long nails. I'm so sorry. I think maybe I had to pinch the nails a little bit more, but I don't know, because I really love the look from Clady's nails. So I don't know what I did wrong, but personally it's not my favorite set that I've done on myself.
So yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video. I really hope you've liked it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this hyper realistic nail design. I'm curious what you think about it. I'm not really a fan of it. I think I maybe needed to do some little adjustments, maybe the pinching, maybe the color, I don't know, it's, or maybe shorter, I don't know. But yeah, I really hope you have liked it. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. Share this video, and if you want to see anything in my next videos, let me know in the description box below, or tag me in something that you saw on TikTok, or you know, if you want me to try any nail design, let me know, or I mean products, then we can also go and try out products. Let me know and we will do it together. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.